and they're blossoming out. I pruned them all back, and then they just started blossoming out within 2 weeks after I pruned. That's what happened. Look at all the blossoms in the fruit. Isn't that great? And then the kale is just so tall and it's just so happy. Look at how tall and happy it is. And it's a broadleaf, so it's doing really great. And then this is a Mr. Stripey tomato, and I haven't seen the blossoms yet, although right here it looks like we've got my first blossom that's just about to start coming out, which is great. And that's a Mr. Stripey tomato, which is, you know, nice little 2.5 inch diameter. And then I've got more kale. Kale just loves the sun. Good golly, look at this. Isn't that nice? Yeah, this is the kale. And this is where I pruned the jalapenos, and then within 2 weeks, that's what it does right there. Just explodes. And this is a jalapeno that needs to go for dinner tonight. We'll have that. And these are the bush variety. This I just planted. And these two, right here and right here, they are, last year that's the size they were. And they broke out of this bush variety thing and then became indeterminate. And you can see how they're growing up. And we've got tomatoes everywhere on these. They're just, blossoms are setting. And they're just doing so well. Look at this. Sorry. Isn't that great? And then more kale and spinach. This is spinach down in here. So anyway, a little greenhouse update. Thought y'all like to see what's going on out here.